So thank you for joining me at Remote-Backroad-Jungles with a dash in between each word. And today we're going to go to Raymond-Skill Falls. Raymond-Skill Falls is the tallest waterfall in PA. You might have seen my other videos where I've done Dingman's Falls, Child's Park. This is the tallest waterfall in PA. The Lenape Indians and the Delaware Indians originally inhabited this area. And the settlers, the white settlers that came here, were the Dutch, English, and German settlers. So that's mostly what was in this entire area, and the Lenape Indians. And this is also known as all the waterfall areas in the Poconos here as the honeymoon capital of Pennsylvania. So this is where everybody goes on their honeymoon and for beautiful places. And so we're going to take a look right now. Come on with me. So. Visit the Poconos. Look at that.